back to another haul on your non-average Asian body standard body. Whatevs. As we all know, clothes in Asia differ from sizes from America. So if I'm a medium here in the States, I am a large to an extra large, even plus size in Asia. Speaking of body, make sure to get your body positive merch on Fanjoy and support the Linda. The gray is definitely one of my favorite. I'm gonna try to make this haul fly by as quick as possible, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the first tank. Oh my, oh my. It's a little busty. I am so afraid that this is just gonna snap open. The zipper here in the middle is definitely plastic, so it's a little risky. I feel like if I stuff my mouth and my stomach bloats even more than this, it's just gonna bazonk a donk. So there's this little extra zip. Okay, it's holding. Stay still, stay still. Now I will say there's a really nice cushioning. It's a little bit on the thicker side, not horrible. Add a little bit of lift to the twins. So the girlies are very wide, as in they fall out this way. You know what I mean? With that being said, I truly appreciate the cushions really just snuggling them up, holding them, hugging them at their worst. It makes me feel confident. You don't know, what if I'm really insecure about how my titties fall outward? Yeah, so I feel confident in this. There's this nude brown outlining around the whole tank. I guess it doesn't go all the way back here, does it? I can't see. Yeah, it does. Even down the zipper part, and it just looks so good. Love the color combo on white. They have multiple colors, but I highly recommend this white and tan, nude, cream, whatever color you want to call it. I love that the tank right under the chesty busty really wraps around your tummy and cinches it in, tucks it, you know? It makes you feel like you're sucking it in, but we're not. The tank is ribbed the whole way down, so my waist feels snatched.
I ain't never been with a baddie. She calm, so I added to the tally. Madison bottom calling her Maddie.
Is this gonna be my favorite tank? So these are the pink pants that I have on. I'm kind of tired of always just wearing plain jeans. I needed something to spice up the color in my wardrobe when it comes to jeans and pants, right? I found these pink pants. They're shaded lighter on the outside, and then the inner is this hot pink ribbed soft cloth piece. It's like that from the back as well. I'm sure it doesn't flatter the boot. But it's fine. This is in the size large, and I'm really surprised it fits well on my waist because we know how that went a couple months back. The length is also not bad. I think it adds like a funky spunk. I feel like I'm in a rock band. I feel funky, like I'm in the 80s or something. Thick, chunky boots or something might make these pants come alive. So if I were you, I'd be careful. I like it a lot. Okay, the more I look at it, it doesn't look like a diaper going down my ass. It does, doesn't it? Don't say anything. Okay, here's the next piece. It's literally spandex for your upper part. I feel like I can't breathe. This is kind of low-key choking me because it connects like this at the back. Do you see the chubs? Oh. Okay. From afar, it is pretty cute. It's very like spicy. The only thing I will say, this is from YESSTYLE, and you can totally tell it's from YESSTYLE because look how bad it's made around this area. And this is literally what you see the most. This metal ring is kind of like the centerpiece of this top. So the fact that it looks very cheaply made is like kind of like a turn off. But I like the idea. I like the style of it. I wouldn't wear this out. Like, you know, someone took the strings and just like hand sewed it together. What if it snaps? Oh, I'm very sad because this would have been a really cute top. Although you can tell the girlies are definitely suffocating, but that's fine. You like it? Oh, this would have been a cute going out kind of top. Looks so bad. Looks like a 4-year-old made this. You had so much potential. So cute, and it's like cropped. Dang! The chubs do squish out. Totally fine with that. I love that it crisscrosses right here. It makes my shoulders look less broad. Do you guys finally understand what I mean by like having shirts that come up towards like a halter? Brings the attention in instead of like outward towards my guns. Did you get your tickets to the gun show? Someone did that to me before. It was actually very cute. I fell for it. Again, this top has so much potential. I'm sad! So this is the next outfit. I will say the jeans. Okay, we're gonna talk about the jeans first. They are a little big, but they're not horrible. I like it. It's like a little baggier on the waist. As you can tell, we have a little bit of extra room for our booty to grow into. It's taking a lot longer than I thought. If I'm honest though, I thought I like these jeans a lot more, but I don't fully love them. They have an ombre look to them. Again, I was thinking, I need to spoof up my jeans. So I thought ombre, but now I just kind of look like wonky. Super long. Hello, toes? Yeah, not there. I do like the distressing in the cuts and the jeans. It adds a little bit more spice attitude to the groupie. Doesn't look good from the side. It looks stiff, like a stick. I'm trying to convince myself to like it. I like the fit. However, I'm not really liking the look of this. Pass! I actually got this top in white as well, but I'm showing you guys the pink one. I snatched it because of the halter crossing right here, and I love the ribbing of it. The pink is actually really cute as well. I did like the ribbing, of course. The only downside is that this is very thin. Some nippy tapes. It doesn't like fully snug onto your body, but that's totally fine. I kind of like the looser feel to it. I'm not against it, but I don't fully love it. It does have a really nice framing to the upper body, so again, if you're really aware about your shoulders, I highly recommend a top like this. And it has a little cute loophole right there, you know? It does cut into the cookies on the armpits a little bit, so be aware of that if you're conscious. Like, it looks like a mock turtleneck from the back, doesn't it? Wait, I do really like this top. I feel like it could be really cash. I'm just a little bit worried about the see-throughness. I got this tank. It feels like underwear. Very like meshy and see-through and just, you see? The main reason why I picked out this tank was definitely the copper color. The color has a very nice and rich look to it, especially with the blend of this like poop green going on. Or it's not poop green, it kind of depends on what you eat. It's just a very average tank top, like nothing special to it. I feel like everything I got is very like spring, summer vibe. It could be spring, summer in the house. Chesty besties have a nice lace trace to it. The strap is very, very deep in color. And then the see-through mesh goes all around. Don't worry, the cups will have this underneath, so you're good there. I feel like my tummy blends into this color, so it doesn't look as see-through. Straps are not adjustable. This tank top doesn't have a wow factor, but I think the color speaks for itself and it stands out enough. Girl, imagine this in the summer, not with these jeans, okay? Just imagine this with like black pants or something. With your oily, sun-kissed glow skin, sweaty as fuck, with gold jewelry. You'd feel like an antique yourself. A prized possession with bronzed makeup all night. Ignore the pants right now, but oh my goodness, this champagne corset, amazing quality. Very impressed. The only thing I will say, these straps are clip-on. It comes in a little baggie. I clipped them on myself. They are very plasticky. Ignore this side, I clipped it on the wrong way. This rhinestone strap is mimicking a diamond strap, so I mean, it'll probably glisten at night, who knows. We walk down into this very nice scoop of this champagne toned corset. The V is not too pointed. If anything, it's very shaved down. You can see it cuts the edge down like so to give you more of that tapered waist. It looks so fine and rich, silky. Overall, with the appropriate attire to dress this corset, you will look like old money. I love it. It has this very silky texture. Again, the scoop around the boobies. You can see it's kind of trying to drape, but the chestnuts filled it up. Super hefty. I can trust this to hold. I'm not sure how much I trust the straps to hold. You can adjust it as well, so that's nice. The tightening effect of your back squishies. Bet. You look like a glass of champagne just waiting and sparkling in the night. I need to go get other colors if there are. I highly recommend this top. Okay, these pants though, I couldn't zip them. You guys see, I'm trying to go with a theme here. Not a theme, but I'm just trying to like go outside the box a little. These are too small. I'm confident these are in the size large. Honestly, if I tried hard enough, I can. But dude, the way it squishes my pouch right here and gives me a camel, no thank you. You can literally see my belly. And it's not about seeing the belly, it's just, it's so uncomfortable. Like, girl, can you even breathe? You even human? And it gives me no ass? Oh, wow. It's so bad. I'm with a body. What's it telling? Yeah, no, definitely not. I do really like the color though, and the length of these jeans are really nice. They're not even jeans. The tone is cute. The shape is cute. Well, I decided to get this work outfit. I don't know how I feel about it because obviously I'm not used to wearing like any kind of biker shorts like these. It is pretty cute from afar. Yoga, zen, wow, bend. I do like how there's this ruffling almost scrunch around the top, so it adds a poofy look to the top or your chesties. Even the sides, it has like a scrunch, I don't know if you can tell, throughout the whole leg up north, just allowing you to have a little bit more flexibility, and it's literally just against the side of your leg, and I feel like it actually helps shape you a little bit to make you look wider in the hips. I kind of like that. I like it. All right, I didn't think I'd look good in this. Makes me want to go to the gym. Not really, nope, but the thought is there. The quality is surprisingly well. I love how there's this thick band right here, even on the pants. Tuck in your chubs, put them into place for a second. You guys know how I'm not like a big fan of scoops, but this scooping, very nice. I think I'm ready to go to the gym. No. Okay, so this is the next top. It's kind of not it. It's not it. It just doesn't sit well on the body. This looks like a cosplay outfit. Costume for Halloween. Sailor Moon. I've never been with a body. It feels like cosplay, like it's not a shirt to wear around. I mean, the concept's there, but Sailor Moon. No. Definitely not. That's all I have to say about this. It looks like an apron as well, so thank you. And just like that, that's the end of this haul. There was actually another corset I wanted to show you guys, but I didn't have the appropriate attire to have it like lifting my bubbles. If you follow my Instagram, I'm most likely gonna wear it there. It's kind of cute. Let me know what shop you guys want to see me shop from next. I'm not sure if I want to do J-Style, the plus size clothes from Korea, or another Muji Woo haul. Don't forget to support body positive merch, and until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't